Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to Mask Monday. I have on these eye masks. This I received from Makeup by Pia W, and also this mask is what I'm going to wear. So I want to give away from Miss Pia, and I did a giveaway back, and the winner was chosen, and I'm going to use some of the things that she sent me in the giveaway. So this is Puss in Boots. I'll read about it here once I get it on. Let me get it on. It's a really colorful character mask. Oh, wow. And how are y'all today? I hope you're doing something to take care of yourself today. Just carve out a few minutes somewhere in the week. It would be nice if you can do it every day, 15 minutes for yourself. But if you can't, try to do once a week, at least. Look at how cute this is, y'all. Okay, let me get this on. Get my eyes through there. This is Puss in Boots. It says DreamWorks on the package. Oh, golly, it's cold. I want you to know the weather is crazy. It's been cold and it's been hot. So we're back to now gorgeous. It's been a gorgeous weekend. It was cold last week. We had 4 nights of frost, of freeze warnings. And then now it's in the 70s. And I think we're gonna hit 80 this week. So what is it, Smudge? Look at how cute this is, y'all. Double eyes, double eyes. Okay, so let's see what this is all about. The eye masks were not marked, but you could see I really needed some eye masks. I've been having an allergic reaction to something, and it isn't quite all gone away. So I have to be careful what I do. See, here's the hat on Puss in Boots, and then his fabulous face. I love this mask, it's cool. So, all right, now that it's on, it doesn't feel so cold. It says DreamWorks SHREK on the bottom. And this mask is from Sense Essentials. So it says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and enriched with orange extract, moisturizing and refreshing, vegan formula. Very nice. I'm trying to smell it. It doesn't really have much of a scent. If it does, it's nothing. I can't really tell much of a scent, which is fine. But SENCE brand. So this came all the way to me from Denmark, and it does say on here the Netherlands on it. So thank you, Pia. I'll tag Pia below if you don't know her. She does beautiful makeup. She is all about using your makeup, having fun with your makeup, and no matter your age. And like she says, you can wash it off at the end of the day. Isn't this cute, y'all? I love it. Yeah, I've never had a mask like this before. Thank you, Pia. I have a couple other things to talk to y'all about. I have a collab going on. It is the Temu Advent Calendar collab, and I'll tell you about that in a second. One of the items I showed you was this cute little kit. This was just under $2. These little kittens, these little cats, statues. And Blue had knocked one off of the table and I couldn't find it. Well, I find Camille playing with it today. This is the one, okay? So it's 4 little statues. Just wanted to show you that right quick. And the collab is Jessie Miller Unboxings and More created this collab. And it's just been lots and lots of fun. We've all created advent calendars for ourselves and then for you. So there will be giveaways with all the channels, and you have to be subscribed publicly to all channels, and you have to comment on each video. And, if you're new to that channel, please watch the video in full before you subscribe so that your subscription hopefully will hold. And then just make sure you have a long time until November 26th is when we'll be choosing the winners. Make sure every now and again, check and make sure that you're still subscribed, because YouTube likes to knock us off. It's just the way they are. So it's Jessie Miller Unboxings and More, Reviews with Sue, Katie's Corner of the World, Favorites with Laura, Laura Wooten Reviews, Miss Jackie Russell, and me. Is that everybody? I said that, it seems like I said that very fast. Katie's Corner of the World did our artwork for that, the thumbnails and such. So, and if you're new to Temu at all and you want to shop at Temu, 3 of our channels are affiliates: Reviews with Sue, Favorites with Laura, and Miss Jackie Russell. So go and shop under them and you'll get great discounts. First of all, Temu has great discounts, but if you'll get extra discounts if you've never shopped before, you'll get extra discounts under them. And then I have some friend mail. Just this card came in the mail, and it is beautiful. Look at the cute little cows on the back, swinging. They're swinging together. I love that. And this is from Just Janet. Just Janet is in Colorado, and she's just a sweetheart and checks in on me all the time. And I don't want to show her address. She has a beautiful address label, but I'm going to cover that up and show you that this beautiful sticker. It says, "Love is patient, love is kind." And then super cute stamp, kitty stamp. Thank you so much, Janet. And thank you, Camille, for having your bath in front of us. And I did cut it open so I could easily get it out of there. Oh, it says thank you. Thank you, Janet. For what? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Oh, it says private. Okay. Okay. Well, she's thanking me for something, but she must have won a giveaway, I imagine. But it says private on, so I'm not going to read it, but I will show you that inside. Where'd you get these cute stickers? Here's that sticker even bigger. Isn't that cute, y'all? Thank you, Janet. That's so sweet of you. Oh, thank you. And I do appreciate y'all all the time. I appreciate y'all. I love talking to you. So, gab with me when you can in the comments. I will tell you this, y'all. I can't apologize enough. I just can't seem to keep up. I was trying to keep up with my comments. I got really close to keeping up. I got within a week of keeping up, and then now I'm like 2 or 3 weeks out there again. I think I'm 2 weeks out. So I'm trying very hard to answer comments. I do, sometimes I have to go through and heart things, but I always like to say hey to y'all. So I apologize that I'm so far behind, but I've just had, it's been a time. It's been a time. It's always busy. It's always busy, but it just seems like it's been more of a restless time than it has for a while. So, and with the holidays coming, and here's Blue. Thank you, Blue, for coming through. Blue and Camille are, getting along a little better. As I say that, she bit his ear. He didn't hiss at her. This is new. He's always hissed at her, but she's been trying to lay next to him and stuff like that. So this is maybe a good thing. Maybe things are, maybe. She is now licking his face, smelling him. Oh, she bit his ear. He doesn't. So anyway, all right, I'm taking too much time on that. But anyway, y'all, this, I hope it's working out. I'll tell you, Camille, since she got spayed, which when was that? A couple weeks ago already, middle of October, it's like she stopped growing. So I don't, they shouldn't stop growing when they get spayed, but she has. She's a itty bitty thing. I swear when I saw those ears as a baby that she was going to be this big girl. And maybe she still will be, but at the moment, she pulled this out of him from biting his ear. Ay, ay, ay. But he's still here, so maybe this is good. All right, y'all. I'm taking up too much time. But go see my collab. And, I do a video every day, at least one a day. And I really want y'all to watch my videos. And I want y'all to tell your friends about me, because, of course, I want to grow, want to keep growing. And, that's the thing about growing, though. I love meeting new people, love it. But then I don't get to answer all your comments. So I'm sorry for that. But I try very hard. And isn't this funny looking, y'all? I love it. I think it looks so cute. And the cat is really talking. Puss in Boots is really talking. And I can hardly even see my own eyes. So that's good. I love it, y'all. I love it, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Have a wonderful Monday and a good week if you're watching this later in the week. And my goodness, y'all, the holidays are here. They're upon us. So, get ready and have fun with it. Have fun. Enjoy the holidays. Stay safe for whatever your weather is. Like I said, my weather is, this is how it is here, So hopefully y'all are having good weather. they're talking about lots and lots of snow this winter. So hopefully that, you know, won't be too bad for us. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Count your blessings and good to see you. Bye-bye. Well, I did it again. My second Mask Monday and forgetting to announce the winner of my Mask Monday with Carol Gardner. So the winner is Carolyn Parker. So Carolyn, get with me please, and I will get you your sheet masks. This is cracking me up. Ooh, Camille, am I scaring you? Blue, blue.